Let us now do some small experiment about Man Buddhi Chitta Ahankar. We'll do some small experiment and practical. Okay, are you ready? Everybody make your fist like that. Okay. Now make your both the hands like this, like this. I'm showing like this, but your these both thumbs should be touching here, your forehead like this. Then inhale, exhale. Like this. Everybody start, continue. Very good. Keep it up. बहुत अच्छा. Sound of breathing will help. Sound of breathing. Sound of breathing. Inhale, go back. Exhale, come forward. Very good. Powerful. Continue. 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 Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Continue. 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 And relax. Those who got the specs, please take out your specs, glasses. Now what you have to do, you have to go a little more down. When you will be doing like this, go down as much as you can. Then go up like this. Start again. Everybody. Yes, very good. Full power, full power. Continue. Good Shakti. Keep it up. Very powerful. Very good. Continue. 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 Very good. Very nice. Continue. Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Little deep, more powerful, more powerful. Go more Shakti. More Shakti, more Shakti, more Shakti. Full power, full power, full power. Breathing should be powerful. Powerful breathing, powerful breathing. Powerful breathing, powerful. Very good, very good, very good, very good. And this time again down, both the thumbs remain on your forehead, head down, stay there for moments. Head down, stay, head down. Both thumbs touching your forehead, stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down. Very good. Stay there for a few moments. And this time again, we will start with more deep inhale and exhale and little speed up. Those who can speed up, continue. Continue. Restart. Restart. Full power. Full power. Very nice. Very nice. Continue. Continue. Full Shakti. Apply your 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 Shakti. Continue. Continue. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Very good. Very nice. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Full Shakti. Full Shakti. Full Shakti. Full Shakti. Continue the Shakti. Continue the Shakti. Full Shakti. Full Shakti. Full Shakti. Full Shakti. Full Shakti. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Full Shakti. Keep it up. 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 Breathing should be deeper. Breathing should be longer. Very special. Very special. Continue. Continue. And now just relax. Bring your both the palms in the center of your lap in Bhairavi Mudra. Left palm will be in your right palm. Thumbs meeting together. Eyes closed. Just relax. Relax your shoulders. And now, doing nothing. Doing is converted into happening. Inside, movements may happen. Physical movements not there now. Breathing movement. Everybody start short breathing, deep, faster breathing. Continue breathing. Continue breathing. Continue breathing. आंखें बंद. Very good. Continue breathing. Very good. Continue. Continue breathing. Continue. श्वास को गहरा करो. Go deeper into breathing now. Continue breathing. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Continue breathing. Expand your Anahat chakra. Expand your Anahat chakra. Continue. Continue. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Continue. Very nice. Continue happening. Continue happening. Continue happening. Very deep. Allow it to happen. Allow it to happen. Very nice. Continue. Allow it. Allow it. Allow it. Allow it. Allow it. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. And now you are not doing, it is happening. Now you have not taken any efforts. Be effortless. No more doing. Let go. Let go. Let go. अब कुछ नहीं करना. Now nothing is to be done. Only watch. Only see. And no more doing. Very good. Go. Continue. Allow it to happen. Brain is totally relaxed. Body is now present. No more tension anywhere. Let go. Effortless, choiceless. And see what is happening. Man, buddhi, chitta, ahankara, antakarana will also start relaxing. Once your bahikarana, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin are relaxed, external senses are relaxed, external body is relaxed, inner journey starts, relaxing of inner senses, antakarana. Man will also start relaxing, buddhi will also start relaxing, chitta will also start relaxing, ego will also start relaxing. First you relax outside, then automatically inner relaxation can be observed. Very good. Let it happen. Let it happen. Mana, buddhi, chit, ahankar are relaxed, not disturbing you, but you are aware. You are not sleeping. You are not unconscious. You are not unaware. You are aware. Mana, buddhi, chit, ahankar all are getting very, very relaxing. Neither is disturbing you, and you are aware towards all. Just be present and witness. Allow the happening. Very good. Allow the happening. Very nice. Continue. Continue presence. Beautiful presence. In normal life, man creates many obstacles. But at this moment, man is no more obstacle. At this stage, man is not disturbing you at all. Just be present. Be present. Be present. Be present and witness the happening. Allow it to happen. Very good. Very nice. Beautiful presence. Let it flow. No need to take any effort or decision. No judgment. That means buddhi is also there, but not actively disturbing you. Buddhi is also present, but not intervention. No intervention from buddhi. Ahankar, false ego is also not there. But I is there. I-ness is not there. I-ness is ahankar. I is present. You are very close to the true I. When the I-ness drops, very good. Dropping of I-ness, opening the gates of true I. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Witness the happening. See the happening. Observe the happening. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Continue. Let it happen. Man, buddhi, chit, ahankar, all are at your disposal because you are very close to the true I. You are close to the Brahma and you need to only witness. And slowly, slowly, very gently, we will express gratitude by chanting the sound Om from every cell. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Witness the Shanti, divine Shanti, blissful Shanti. बहुत अच्छा. Slowly, slowly rub your palms. And cover your face and stay there for some time. दोनों हाथों को चेहरे पर लगा लो. A new dimension of vision. New vision with new dimension. Witness and see the divineness. Beautiful divineness. Very nice. And slowly, slowly rub your face. Gently rub your face. And please come back. Open your eyes. Each time when we are withdrawing from the outer world, where do we go? What happens? When we are not on the outer senses, outer instruments, we call pratyahar. Mostly, whenever I was listening to people who were trying to explain what is pratyahar, they were saying withdrawal of senses. I said, no, please make little correction. Pratyahar is not withdrawal of senses, it is withdrawal from the senses. Here another important thing comes up. Withdrawal of senses, not outer senses only. It is from inner senses as well. That is pratyahar. And once pratyahar happens, dharana, you start going deep into the higher consciousness, then meditation start happening. Pratyahar is with efforts. Up to Pratyahar, they say Bahirang Yoga. Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi happens. But we have to prepare ourselves. Pratyahara. So when you are doing these practice of going inner side, you have to let go, let go, let go. Effortless stage has to come. Initially, efforts very important. Then effortlessness, choicelessness, no judgment. Judgment is again buddhi, not required. So mana, buddhi, chitta, ahankar, they are not required when you are entering into the stage of samadhi. But before that required. These are the same steps, staircase, going up and coming down. We need them. When it is saying yoga chitta vritti nirodha, it means we need the chitta. We need the vritti. If there is no vritti, how you will experience something without vritti? If there is no dukkha, if there is no sorrow, how you will know that there is a bliss, there is happiness? So opposite is there for us to understand its opposite. It is helpful. But it appears that when something goes wrong, we start complaining. Meditation gave us insight. Drop the complaints, you are the bliss. So all the blessings to everybody. Enjoy your weekend with more intensive yogic sadhana. Not wasting your time here and there. Not wasting our time in chinta. Go into deep contemplation, chintan. Observe it, practice it, and you see the light. All the blessings, all the best wishes to everybody. Hari Om.
Hari Om Guruji. Thank you.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Guruji, thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om.